What's up? Dreadhead here. And Dread's looking good. Dread's 4 years old. Dread's swinging. Dread's not entirely fixed. What's this? You got all that loose hair, but you just heard that So how do you fix it? Got this drawer right here, a nifty little tool that I like to call needle. Yep, sewing up our dreads. So how do you do it? Well, you start by threading a needle. What do you do after you thread your needle? You tie a knot. And then you tie another knot. And then, to make sure your square knot doesn't come undone, you tie another knot. Well, you're going to want to give yourself a 2-inch loop at most. I work with like 1.5. Sometimes, like, if I can't spread my fingers any farther than that, that might only be like 1 inch. But that's what I work with, and that's easiest to fix through. So I usually keep these 2 fingers right here with the needle in between, so I can grab the needle, or if it drops, I can easily tuck it back under my fingers, and grab hair with pointer, pinky, either one. So just going to start showing. What do you do? Got it sectioned. Alright, this is the loose stuff. This is about as much hair as you want to work with at a time. So, see, these 2 parts don't go together. So this, we'll just move that aside. Usually, people like to tie all their hair up for this kind of thing. And go for it, tie all your hair up. But like, mine hangs down enough that it's not really in the way of all the hair that I'm working with. So I just go through here, trace it to the roots. Where's the root? Alright, looks like root's this dread. So what am I going to do? Gonna go right to the root. Gonna pierce through it with my finger. Gonna come to at the root. Say, okay, I'm ready to grab this hair. Wrap it around my finger. Pull through. La-di-da. La-ti-da. You start. That's your first step. Now, if you've been locking your dreads, you already know the twist and tuck method. That's how that all got worked out. Yeah, if you've seen pictures of my dreads 4 years ago, they're half this length. So yeah, you twist and tuck your dreads through at the roots if you want them to keep growing out right. I don't know what else you think you would do, but that's what I've been doing for 4 years. That's what I've been doing for 4 years. And then all this loose hair, gonna go through. You're gonna start pretty close to the root, and you're gonna tie yourself up a little bit. Just stick the needle through, base at the roots, go 1 time back through, grab your loose hair, pull it through your loop. Here, pull it through your loop. Pulled it all the way through. And then, see, it didn't grab. It's tricky leaning forward. Tricky. Oops. Alright. Try that one more time. And I just want to show you, like, once you start working your way down, you're going to get your dreads looking like this. Screen's darkening because I'm not working fast enough. Dread's going to look like this. Then you get this sticking out, okay? Imagine you do a bunch of little loops all the way through. So back and forth, every 90 degrees. Say you turn on the 90 or stitch on the 90. Sure, some people stitch on the 180. No, that's not enough of a little knot. You just want to do really tight work. You got to do the 90s. Hey, who's to say you could do 45s? Keep it really tight. Lock that up really quickly. But stitch a 9, Alright, gotta get these loops on my fingers. Child, why is this taking you 5 minutes to sew one little stitch? Well, it's a little fancy little task, I'll tell you that. Not fancy that. I'll tell you that. Alright, coming back through. Grab your hair. Pull it through the loop. Now you have your hair through the loop and your needle coming out on the other side. The loop in the dread. Watch as I pull this part here ooh, 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 see that hair come right through there? But, and you just have to do that a lot more, you know, a lot more. And then say, like, once you get down to here, okay, you get it basically there. Okay, so I've sewn maybe through 2.5 inches or whatever here, almost 2.5. You can start your palm rolling. You know, if you really want your palm rolling to start right there, you know, start your palm rolling right here. Go for it. You know, palm roll it in and then crochet it, and it's tight. For sure, that's one way to do it. But the other way, you know, just stitch all the way down, you know, and it vanishes. You know, it's deep in your dread, then you get your lock in. You know, you twist, tuck, that good work. Anyway, I don't think this is a twist and tuck video, but, you know, I got my first lock. Could I do it right here? Yeah, you guys know I could do it right here. Alright, nobody watch. There might be something that breaks here. Woo. Just need to separate. Make sure it's all separate. All apart. Oops, so too much in. Twist. Ooh. Swallowing hard. Twist and tuck. After one, you know, probably isn't enough. You probably want to get a couple more notches in there, but it's alright. I can notch it up fast. Twist, twist, twist. You know, you want to stay consistent with your twists and tucks. And twist and tuck. Alright. Threaded through. Check that out. Locked up a dread. Locked up a stitch. So, you know, basically, say you're feeling really lazy. You got your one notch. You got it locked. Start your palm rolling there. Dread's fixed. Alright, guys. I'm going to let you go. I got all this to do. My own pace. Got a lot going on. But, you know, that's nothing you want to feel hanging on your back through the summer heat and humidity. You know, you want your dreads up and tight and just kind of free flowing. Alright, I lost my needle. Okay, crap. Alright, guys, peace out. Thanks for watching my dreadlock video. Good luck with your locks. Peace.